How to sign up or register on Pionex. If you want to sign up or register your account on Pionex, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. You have to launch the Pionex application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then what you have to do is you have to go ahead and then tap on the sign up button that you can see there. There are many ways to sign up. You can sign up using your Google, Line account, Telegram account, sign up with an independent email, or with your phone number, depending on what is more comfortable for you. I'll just select for me because Google is the most easiest out of these, so I'll just select continue with Google, select a Google account I wish to link my Pionex account with, and once done, I have to simply choose my country region. I can verify this, but I can tap the skip button from the top right hand side to skip the verification button, and then just like that, you can see I'll be able to go ahead and then basically create a Pionex account. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.